Hello friends, this is OP Mishra signing on again on the very first episode of Job Hunt. दोस्तों, जैसा हमने प्रॉमिस किया था, ये हमारा पहला एपिसोड है जॉब हंट और हमारा आज का सब्जेक्ट है शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री। जी हाँ दोस्तों, शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री इसलिए क्योंकि यही तो मेरा प्रोफेशन है। आप हमारी कंप्लीट टीम ने बड़ी मेहनत की है और लोगों ने हमारा साथ दिया। बहुत सारी शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री ऑल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड दे हैव सपोर्टेड आवर एफर्ट्स। दे हैव सपोर्टेड इन सच ए वे कि हमारे पास पूरी एक लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट आ चुकी है इनकी, क्या क्या इनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड विद इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम। पेंडेमिक ने सभी हर जगह वांट बढ़ा दिया है, लोगों की ज़रूरत हर कोने में है। तो हमारा वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड है। हमारे सारे स्लाइड्स को बड़े ध्यान से देखिए आप। एड्रेसेस हमने दिए हैं, उनके कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दिए हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट पर्सन्स के नाम दिए हुए हैं। आपने करना सिर्फ इतना ही है, उससे नोट डाउन करते रहिए। नोट डाउन करने में दिक्कत होती है, पॉज कर दीजिए, वेरी सिंपल। यूट्यूब है, आप ही का चैनल है, नोट डाउन करिए, प्ले अगेन। जॉयस्टिक इज इन योर हैंड फ्रेंड्स। और ध्यान रहे, मदद तो हमें बहुत आएगा आपको डेली अपडेट करने के लिए, प्रोवाइडेड आप हमारा साथ दें। उसके लिए सिर्फ आपने सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल आइकन बटन दबाना है। दोस्तों चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं हमारी स्लाइड्स का सिलसिला एंड आई होप यू विल एंजॉय द कंप्लीट सेशन ऑफ वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड जॉब हंट। तो नंबर 1 पर आ रहा है तोलानी शिपिंग। दोस्तों, तोलानी शिपिंग इज ए नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। दिस वाज फॉर्म्ड इन द ईयर 1974। इट्स ए मुंबई बेस्ड कंपनी और they also run a marine academy in Bombay, and they are looking out for a captain, master, chief engineer, chief officer, only for a contract period of 4 months, सिर्फ 4 महीना। And also they are looking for electro-techno officers and electro-techno ratings। अब electro-techno officers होते क्या हैं? Electrical and electronic engineers, because shipping industry automation has taken over everything. The entire thing has become automated. So we require somebody who knows electronic and electrical to maintain the vessel regularly. Sanjeev Handa, Mr. Prashad Berde, they are the contact person. नीचे आपको email ID मिल रहा है, you are getting the contact number, everything in details. Please be in touch with them. All the best. नंबर 2 आ रहा है। नंबर 2 पर Baruchan Shipping. They are basically known as Baruchan Ships and Offshore. Baruchan Ship is again a non-government organization formed on February 2010. They are looking out for various cadre. सारा लिस्ट आपके सामने है, just go through it very carefully. And they are very good paymasters, extremely good paymasters. और नंबर 3 पर आ रहा है Maersk Tankers. Maersk is a world famous Dutch company. Saji, this company is a very big company. They touch more than 374 ports in 116 countries. They have a record, and they have 83.625 thousand people in their pay list, out of which 18,398 are crew, 65,227 are in the operation, and they are looking out for master, chief officer, chief engineer, second engineer, third engineer, electrical officers. दोस्तों, now comes the benefit. You get the wages round the year. आप 6 महीना काम करने के बाद घर जा रहे हो, your salary is on, because they are going to call you back. And because you should not take over any other job, they keep giving you money even when you are signing off. About this, the complete family gets a medical facility. Entire family. Medical facility is for the entire family. And company sponsored family carriage. You can sail along with your family. Not infant kids, not grown up kids, but you can sail along with them because they have a capacity, lifeboat capacity hai, life raft capacity hai. So most of the senior officers, they normally sail along with the family. Above all, you get all the ships, they are having a free internet service, एंड सबसे बड़ी बात शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री में होती क्या है, यू गेट वंस यू गो टेक अप द जॉब, योर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज फॉर 4 months, यू नेवर गेट ए रिलीवर इन टाइम. घर में कोई ओकेशन है, कोई somebody is getting married or some eventuality is there, you don't get your reliever in time. Maersk Line, they are very prompt in relieving. You give them the date and that particular date you are relieved if the ship touches the port. नंबर 4 पर आ रहा है एमोल मैरीटाइम इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. Now MOL is very popular for carrying LNG. They are LNG carriers. They require chief engineer, master. Now this chief engineer is a dual class, steam and motor both. Master, chief officer, second officer and third officer. They all should be with a LNG background. And of course, number 5 पर है Anglo Eastern Ship Management. Anglo Eastern Ship Management is also a wonderful company. All the companies are good. MLC rule के हिसाब से everyone is bound to pay you money in time. If you are not getting your payment in time, government is there. There is an agency behind them to follow up, and they ensure that you get your money in time. Anglo Eastern Ship Management, they urgently require. They have VLCCs, VLGCs, VLOCs, and chemical tankers. They require all rank officers. The company has a very good prospect, weighs at par, the best in the industry. Of course, family carrying capacity, and they are looking out only for people who want to stay with them permanently. So your employment is fixed with this company. Anglo Eastern Ship Management, they are based in Mumbai. They have branches almost every port. The main contact person is Mr. Captain Nanda and Mr. N. Jagtiani. सारे डिटेल आपको मिल रहे हैं, सारे फ़ोन नंबर आपको दिए जा रहे हैं, नीचे आप स्क्रॉल करके देख लीजिए. कॉन्टैक्ट नेम मिस्टर संजीव कुमार का भी है इसके अंदर. ही इज सिटिंग इन कोलकाता ऑफिस. इनका ईमेल आईडी है. अमिताभ सिंह, ही इज सिटिंग इन चेन्नई ऑफिस. इनका भी सारा डिटेल यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. मिस्टर ओपी विनीत, ही इज़ ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, ही इज ऑल्सो सिटिंग इन चेन्नई ऑफिस. सारा डिटेल दिया हुआ है इनका. सो यू गेट टू योर एंटायर डिटेल इज अफेक्ट्स डाउन बिलो. स्लाइड्स देखते रहिए, all the details are there. Keep noting down the details, and as per your requirement, please don't hesitate to contact them. These are all चुनिंदा कंपनियां मैं आपके सामने लेकर आ रहा हूँ. We are getting you the best companies, the best paymaster, the best facilities they provide you, and they are most reliable. इनके ships also very good condition. You don't get junk ships like Gricos के ship हुआ करते थे एक ज़माने में. People were scared to sail out such type of vessels. इसके अंदर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अंदर the classification society and all this thing, we have learned from our mistakes. So now the ships are well maintained. All the ships are coming in a very good seaworthy condition. So everyone is safe. Life is safe. Sea is lovely place to sail around, do your work. Next is V Ship India Private Limited. V Ship is it's a Mumbai-based company. International branch ship है, very good ships they have, and they are also equally good paymaster. They have branches all over India, includes Delhi, Calcutta, everywhere. They have branch in Chennai, Kochi, and I have given all the addresses, everything detailed. Contact person Mr. Pradeep K. Sharma, his number, his address, his email ID, everything is this. These people are directly responsible for recruitment. Number 7 पर आ रहा है MSC. MSC is a very, very famous company. They are basically container carriers, and this company is one of the largest container carriers fleet in the world. They are lookout for master, chief officer, chief engineer, second engineer, and all the addresses are detailed below for you to note it down and be in touch with these people. And definitely all the 7 companies which I have given you today are going to be really very helpful to you. In future again, जैसे जैसे अपडेट मेरे पास आती रहेगी, हम आपको डेली रिमाइंड करते रहेंगे, हमेशा आपको अपडेट देते रहेंगे. बने रहिए हमारे साथ में, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए, Signing off for tonight, good friends. Good night. Wish you all the best. See you on the next episode.